In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Mailchimp double opt-in. Whether you're managing a growing email list or just getting started, understanding this feature is key to maintaining a smooth and effective sign-up process. Double opt-in is a great way to ensure that your subscribers are genuinely interested in your content, while single opt-in offers a faster, simpler way to add new contacts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize this setting to suit your needs. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account, open your web browser, and head to mailchimp.com. Once you're there, enter your credentials and sign in. This will take you to your account dashboard, which is your main hub for managing your Mailchimp activities. Next, locate the Audience tab on the navigation bar. This tab is where you'll find all the tools related to your email lists and subscribers. Once you click on Audience, you'll notice a range of options specific to managing your audience. Look for the More Options menu within this section and give it a click. This is where you'll find additional settings that allow you to fine-tune your audience preferences. Now, select Audience Settings from the drop-down menu. This is the section where you can adjust the core settings for your selected audience. Once you're in Audience Settings, scroll down until you see the Email Opt-in settings. These settings are located under the section called Audience-Wide Defaults. This area contains preferences that apply to your entire audience, so any changes you make here will impact how contacts are added to your list. To proceed, click the Edit button next to the Email Opt-in settings. This is where you can toggle between enabling or disabling the double opt-in feature. Let's take a moment to talk about what these options mean. If you choose to enable double opt-in, this means that when someone signs up for your email list, they'll receive a confirmation email. They'll need to click a link in that email to verify their subscription. This extra step ensures that the person signing up is genuinely interested and that their email address is valid. It's an excellent choice if you want to maintain a high-quality, engaged subscriber list and reduce the chances of fake or mistyped email addresses being added to your audience. On the other hand, if you decide to disable double opt-in, you'll be opting for single opt-in. With this setting, as soon as someone submits their information, they're automatically added to your audience without needing to confirm via email. This option can be more streamlined and efficient if you're looking to simplify the sign-up process and reduce barriers for your subscribers. However, it's worth noting that single opt-in may slightly increase the risk of spam or invalid email addresses. Once you've made your choice, all that's left to do is save your changes. Look for the Save button, click it, and your preferences will be updated. That's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled the double opt-in feature in Mailchimp. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily tailor your email sign-up process to fit your goals and audience. Whether you prefer the added security of double opt-in or the simplicity of single opt-in, the choice is entirely yours. If you ever need to revisit this setting, just follow these steps again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.